Hey, I got a quick question for those of you that do your own body work. More specifically, if you've ever welded in a replacement panel or just had to weld two panels together. Now, I walked into this project knowing there was going to be some body filler involved, but my question is this. When you weld two body panels together, do you spot weld it like this? And more importantly, if you do spot weld it, how far apart should your spots be in order to keep the body filler from cracking or breaking out? Or do you weld the whole thing solid like this? Only I assume you'd weld it better than I did. I'm not a great welder, but we already knew that. We all know that I don't really have an expert or a professional that I could turn to ask for advice, so I'm asking you. Peace, love, and mini trucks.